you'll each grab a flavor of Bailey's hidden underneath one of those bottle cozies.
Your sweater cakes must include 3 unique styles of piping.
And the baker with the most sensational sweater cake will receive a cash prize courtesy of Bailey's. Your time starts now.
My flavor is original Irish cream. I love this. I'm putting the original Irish cream flavor in 3 places. I'm baking it into the cake with the cinnamon and spices. I'm going to do a soak of the cake layers as well as mixing it with the buttercream icing. There you go. Okay. I'm really trying to blend the flavors of the spices with the original Irish cream so it's really warm and inviting. Oh, it smells so good.
I opened the freezer door and... Corey!
No!
His whole cake is now on the floor.
Disaster. The worst nightmare of a baker.
I'm so sorry. No.
It's okay. Okay, what do I do now?